Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make videos on FacePlay application. So make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now without wasting more time, let's begin. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open the application after downloading it from Play Store or App Store. Now after you open the application, the process is very simple. You will see multiple templates over here as you can see. Now if you want to get more access to the templates, you will need to purchase the VIP plan, which is right over here. So if you want that, you can take it. But you can also use it for free. So you can use the free version where the play option will be available at the top right of the template. So as you can see, these are all free over here. Now you will have multiple categories over here as well, like daily uploads, wedding dress, 2.5D, anime, movie, and many more. So just simply choose any one. So I'm going to take this one for example, the first one. So just simply choose the template. Then click on free to use. Now you will need to log in with your Facebook or Google. So I'm going to do that. So after you have done that, just simply click on add a face. Then you can directly take a selfie from your camera, or you can just simply choose an image which is facing the camera from your album. So I'm going to do that. Now, if you're choosing from the album or gallery, you need to give permission to the application. So just simply click on understand. Then just simply hit allow. Now choose the image. Now the application will automatically focus on the face. Now after the face is covered, just simply click on confirm. Now it will take some time, so be patient. Now after it is done, just simply click on start making. So in order to use the free version, you will need to watch an ad or a video to be exact, to actually use it. So just simply click on free and watch a video, and after that you will be able to get the video. Or if you want the premium version, you have to pay for it. So I'm gonna use the free version and watch a video. So just simply click on free. So after advertisement is over, just simply click on the X icon at the top right corner. Now just simply wait for the video to be made. So as you can see, the video has been made. And now you can just simply click on the save icon and save the video in your gallery. Or if you don't want the watermark, you can also choose the no watermark, but I think you have to pay for it as well. So as you can see, you can again watch a video, remove the watermark, or you can just simply keep the watermark, or you can just simply click on save and save the normal file with the watermark. Now you can also share them on any of the social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, or Messenger. As you can see right over here, you will have the option. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.